Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to add transition in Premiere Pro. Select the gap and delete. Come between the clips and right click. Apply default transition. See, transition added. This is default transition. Now come to effects library. Go to video transition and apply anything. See, scroll down, add cross zoom, double click on effect, press OK. Now see, it's better. Now try next. This is VR light leaks. If you want this VR light leak is your default transition, then select the effects, then right click and set selected as default transition. Select blade tool, come here and right click and add default transition. Now VR light leaks your default transition. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I see you in next video.